let's give it up to these cats that came from so far away. Full ammo!
Welcome, we are the Full Ammo Improv Troupe. We're going to do a 25-minute long form set for you guys. If we could get a word from the audience. Summary. 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 Yeah, let's summary. I had, I don't speak any French. I don't speak a word of it. I took it 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th. No, don't speak a word. And then I got to college, and they told me, well, at Penn State, you have to complete 3 years of a language. So I was like, okay, well, like I've taken these 4 previous years of French class, so I should be able to do that. And I was like, I really don't want to take the first 2 years. So I'm just going to skip those, because they let you do, and go right into the 300 block of French, French 3. So I was like, yeah, I'm totally prepared for that. I'll speak French fluently, sure. So I went to do French 3, and I went to class, and I realized I am in way over my head. I am in a bad situation here, and I have to pass this class, and I don't want to drop it. So I was like, okay, so what can I do? And I realized the teacher she looked gay. She always never wore a bra, always carried a biker helmet. So I was like, how do I get in with this? So I wrote to her in one of our compositions. I wrote that I wanted to marry a Jewish man. So I thought that would be like a good in. I don't know, because I knew the word for Jewish, and I knew the word for man. So I put it together, and I was like, Jewish man, that's good. And then I just like coyly turned it in, and just like figured like that maybe she'll like take some positive for that. She took it and ran with it. The next composition I had, she said, I've been waiting for this. And then took it. I was like, she gave me way better grades than I definitely deserved. So I ended up getting like a B in the class, still can't speak the language, and I hope I never have to.
Oh, no, please.
Thank you. Thanks, honey. Why don't you come over here with me while we interview the nanny?
All right.
Okay, well, sweetheart, we looked over your resume, and it looks incredible. It's spotless. I mean, you have the 4 years of Harvard education. You have the life learning certification. The CPR. I see you have 4 little brothers of your own. I do. Okay. Well, then you seem ideal. There's just one thing. Do you speak Italian? Because the kids only speak Italian. We raise them so they.
Yeah. I think I get by. I'm good.
You definitely speak Italian then?
Yes.
It's very important that you do.
I'm trilingual.
Honey, she went to Harvard.
Yeah.
Obviously, I mean, like, yeah. I'm good.
Well, then I have to say you're probably the lady for the job. We're gonna head out now, actually.
Looking very forward to hearing the feedback afterward. Very chatty kids. Very chatty
We'll have
kids.
them write us little essays about it.
They speak no English at all.
That's right, none.
Okay.
Ciao, ciao, bella!
Hey, spaghetti! Hey!
Ciao, Bella! Take good care of me.
Arrivederci! Prego, prego!
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 So polite.
Sì?
Do you want to color?
Italiano!
Okay. Italiano?
Parliamo italiano!
Italiano? Italiano? Okay.
Italiano!
Italiano? Christ. Italiano.
Prego, prego, italiano!
Okay, I have Italiano, I think. So do you want to
Non italiano! Non italiano!
I'm hungry. Ring, 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 ring. Who is hearing back here?
Hello, Caitlin? I just wanted to let you know, Giuseppe needs medicine at 4 o'clock. If he doesn't have it, he dies.
Okay.
He'll tell you where it is. Okay, we'll talk to you later. He'll tell you where it is. Bye.
Hey, Giuseppe!
Giuseppe!
this is hilarious. Sit down.
Okay. Okay.
Are you gay? Yeah. I saw you with a bike helmet. 12 years of marriage. 2 children. And I see you with a bike helmet.
Bike helmet, yes. Can I say that this was not what I thought you were going to bring up right now? Not at all. I thought you were going to bring up the fact that I was wearing a bike helmet and on a bike with another man.
Is he gay too?
No,
I don't have any problems with gay people, but I have a pretty well-known reputation in this community of being a traditional family man, and I don't know if people will take this well.
Not gay. I'm not. I'm having an affair. That's what I thought you were doing.
With a woman.
Wait, would it be better if it was with a woman? Would it be better? Like, would that be something that you would understand?
I saw you with a bike helmet. Just tell me the truth!
Okay. Yes.
I have been a good husband!
A great husband, the best husband. Yes, affair with a woman. Yes.
Oh, Rachel, I was wondering what you thought of these shoes here. These blue sneakers?
Blue sneakers.
Yeah.
I would get them.
You would get them. Yeah. That's weird.
It is?
Yeah.
Why? I thought they looked nice.
Well, they look, quite frankly, they look gay. Like something a gay woman. I wasn't trying to set you up, but I wasn't trying to set you up.
I have a pair just like that at home.
Yeah.
That's
That was the thing.
It's funny you say this. My husband thinks I'm gay.
And that guy that you've been going out with,
Yeah.
he's gay too, right? You guys are having like a gay thing together. Yeah.
He wears leather. The leathers, the Viking. The leathers for the Viking.
Hey, baby.
Hey,
Ready for a good night out?
Yeah, I'm ready. Yeah, I'm ready.
I'm going to take you all night on the town and...
Dance? What is it?
You're not wearing a bra right now.
No, I was free, you know. Free.
Is there something you're not telling me?
What?
You're not wearing a bra. I
I
took
don't have large breasts, honey.
I let the bike helmet slide. A lot of people own bike helmets. But I'm looking at your breast right now, and I can see nipple.
It's cold.
Maybe you should put a bra over it. Or is there something you're not telling me?
Attention all students, please report to detention. Attention all students, please report to detention.
Students! Whatever. Aren't we all?
Seems a little harsh.
Yeah, it does seem a little bit harsh.
All right, kids. Maybe when you're out in the schoolyard, you think you can do whatever you want. In the parking lot, smoking your cigarettes. Oh, I never catch you, didn't you? Is that?
Yeah, we're smoking cigarettes. Who of us could you name one of our names?
Yeah.
We're all in the American Cancer Society.
I think that you'd be against it. We are the only students that came to your detention in that.
How much money did you raise for cancer last year?
Yeah.
All right.